Hello, good day everyone. I am Desiree Morada from 12 DBL Spatula. Today I will be discussing about Glossary of Mil Terms. First, let us know about the new media. Content organized and distributed on digital platforms. The term new media is used to describe all media. Examples of new media are websites, blogs, emails, and online newspaper. People media. Persons that are involved with the use, analysis, evaluation, and production of media and information. People are communicate certain information towards an audience, and those who appear in different kinds of media such as TV, radio, and print media. Plagiarism, the act of taking another person's ideas, inventions as one's own without consent of the original author. There are types of plagiarism. Number one, global plagiarism. Plagiarizing an entire text. Number two, verbatim plagiarism. Copying words directly. Number three, paraphrasing plagiarism. Rephrasing ideas. Four, patchwork plagiarism. Stitching together sources. And number five, self-plagiarism. Plagiarizing your own work. Selection criteria. The set of standards for the analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation of media and information for effective and efficient integration to the learning process. Selection criteria is developed from the knowledge, skills, and abilities. Target audience. The group of people to whom a media text is especially addressed because of a set of characteristics. Specific groups of people who are most likely to buy your products or services. Technology. Hardware used to create and communicate with media, radio, computers, telephones, satellites, and printing presses. Technology is the application of conceptual knowledge for achieving practical goals. The common types of technologies are television, cell phone, software, and computers. Technology, digital literacy, the ability to use digital technology, communication tools, or networks to locate, evaluate, use, and create information. Technology digital literacy, it involves proficiency in using digital devices such as smartphones, laptops, and tablets. Text information and media, materials, programs, applications, and the like of that teachers and students use to formulate new information to aid learning through the use, analysis, evaluation, and production of alphanumeric characters and symbols. Text information and media are either printed or digital text material that are published for the purpose of communicating information to an audience. Three-dimensional technology, virtual reality or interactive 3D and have a figurative appearance. Current examples range from 3D printer, 3D films, holograms, etc. Three-dimensional technology refers to the use of computer graphics to create three-dimensional 3D images, animations, and simulations. Traditional media, the traditional means of communication and expression that have existed since before the advent of the internet. Traditional media is any type of content that is distributed through established channels. Some of the examples of traditional media channels include television, radio, print, and publications. Ubiquitous learning, an educational paradigm made possible in part by the omnipresence of digital media, supporting new modes of knowledge creation, communication, and access. Examples of ubiquitous learning are mobile communication system, internet connection, context-based computing, artificial intelligence, cloud and mobile computing, sensor network and natural user interface, and last, GPS and GIS system. Virtual self. A virtual self is a computer-based replica of a person's self which is the form, platform, or profile used to explore the virtual world independently. Virtual self, it is used to manipulate social cognitive constructs such as identification, self-efficacy, and vicarious reinforcement, and then to encourage the limitation of particular behavior. Visual information in media, materials, programs, applications, and the like that teachers and students use to formulate new information to aid learning through the use, analysis, evaluation, and production of visual images. Example of visual information in media are photography, graphic design, videos, animation, and digital and printed images. Visual message design. Design principles and elements and the production of visual media and information that take into consideration the visual perception of the audience in regards with their prior knowledge and culture. Principles of visual message design using infographics. There are 5 principles of visual message design. 1. Uniqueness. 2. Simplicity. 3. Creativity and boldness. 4. Less is more. Number 5. The fortune is in their forwarding. Wearable technology. Accessories incorporating and advanced electronic technologies, including our Google Glass, iPhone Watch, and Bluetooth headsets. Types of wearable devices: smartwatches, smartwatches, fitness tracker, head-mounted display, implantable device, smart clothing, and smart jewelry.